3 months back in the Asina Hall, there was a program attended by Akhanda Srinivasamurthy himself, as well as Sampath, other Congress leaders, including D.K. Shivakumar.
So what do you think, according to you, as a lawyer, you are also involved in that Sampath Kumar case, why this violence happened and who did?
Had Mr. Naveen had not posted this blasphemous imputation in his Facebook account, nothing would have happened. That Naveen, he has connections with underworld elements, rowdy cheaters, rogue, bad people, and it is he who organized everything. It is he who brought petrol, poured, and hit it with fire. This is the language used by the Council of Akhanda Srinivasamurthy in the objections.
Those who are inside, do you think they will get bail easily or it will take time?
Again, what happens? It all depends on the police. Whether law enforcement agency break down, how is it possible? Person who is responsible for all these things are out. Person who suffered are in.
So tell me last, your client Sampath Kumar, when he will get the clear chit in this case?
At the earliest. See, violence, when you shoot and kill people, then people react in different manner. And 4 lives were lost.
No, the firing happened after the violence started.
That has to be inquired into. How you say that it started with them thereafter?
Because when they were not in control, the police...
No, that argument I don't accept for the simple reason. See, it started by 5:46. There were people. How police allowed the crowd to be more till 11:30?
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करें। मैं फरहान और आप देख रहे हैं इंडियन मीडिया बुक, और आज हमारे साथ एडवोकेट बालन सर हैं और आज बात करेंगे बेंगलोर वायलेंस के ऊपर, क्योंकि कुछ केसेस हैं जो कि बालन सर हैंडल कर रहे हैं, तो उनसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि अभी क्या हो रहा है। और जहां तक कि अभी जो खबर आई थी कि जो नवीन है उसको बेल मिला है। बालन सर, थैंक यू सो मच कमिंग टू इंडियन मीडिया बुक स्टूडियो. As we got to know that you are fighting that case of Sampath Kumar, it is a fact you are doing that.
Yes.
Okay. So now we get to know that sir, this guy Naveen got a bail. How can he got bail so fast?
Okay. See, it all happened, triggered on 11/8/2020. See, Naveen generated a blasphemous post in his Facebook offending a particular faith. See, he generated by 5:46. Till 6:46, nothing has happened. 6:46 to 7:46. A peaceful assembly before the police station requesting the police to take action. It was only a peaceful assembly, little people, that was a lawful assembly. 7:46 to 8:30, it became a protest. 8:30 onwards, it became a rioting. The whole episode triggered by Naveen. You should see the logo of his picture. That is connected to some extremist group. That is the logo. Okay, thereafter police fired. 3 people died with bullet injuries. All the 3 are from minority community. 1 person suffered tear gas shell hit on his stomach. He subsequently died. There were 4 deaths. 7 youths from minority communities suffered severe injuries. No one from other communities suffered even a crack. No one suffered. One community suffers everything. See, 72 FIRs were registered. from Jafrullah layout, about 40 youths were picked up randomly. They were implicated in UAPA case. That means they are terrorists. Terrorist act, terrorist gang, terrorist organization. These people were implicated. They are in jail. Some cases, serious offense of 307. Attempt to murder. 395, dacoity, SC/ST case. Stronger offences were registered in 71 FIRs. Now in just 153, 295, punishable not more than 3 years. Now what is happening? It all created a Facebook imputation. Person who generated the said imputation got bail. Persons who received said imputation are in jail. How fair the investigating agency, how fair the system is, I will leave it to you.
Okay, tell me how the Sampath Kumar is involved all this thing. People are telling he was supporting the people who was doing the violence.
Okay, I have read the charge sheet. I have read charge column. Column number 7. The police very specifically say that there are 3 components of offences. Number 1, SC/ST case. SC/ST Prevention of Atrocity Act. Since Sampath himself is from a listed community, he cannot be implicated in such case. So there is no material against him. Then holding weapons under Indian Arms Act. Commissioner of Police granted permission only to prosecute A35. So Indian Arms Act, he was armless, no weapon recovered from, right? Both have gone. Then comes 143, 144, 145, 149. These are all unlawful assembly. See, if a person present physically, then unlawful assembly or member of unlawful assembly or common intention. He was not even present there. That is the very case of the prosecution. He was not there.
But people told that over the phone he was telling people.
Okay, I'll come to that.
Yeah.
Then comes dacoity. One should be there committing an offence. No material against him for dacoity. And 436, 435, fire mischief. He was not present there. So any of these offences, he was not present. Now they say conspiracy. Who, where, when, why, how. That is the necessity of the IPC provision. 3 months back, in the Asina Hall, there was a program attended by Akhanda Srinivasamurthy himself, as well as Sampath, other Congress leaders, including D.K. Shivakumar. That was a program to distribute food materials to minorities who are going to celebrate their festival. How it is a conspiracy? It was recorded in CCTV camera, it was recorded in videos, it was recorded in cameras, newsmen were there. What was their speech? How it is a conspiracy? How Sampath Kumar is connected? These are all the material. So Sampath Kumar spoke to his driver or through his driver's mobile, that is Santosh. That was 722 location Wheelers Road, 722. No incident took place by that time. Then 8 o'clock he was in other places. So the location finds out 5 kilometers away from the place of occurrence. Okay, there is a mobile. What is wrong in that? See, known people may call whether that is a connecting material. The point is, Swarna TV was there, BTV was there, TV9 was there, CCTV footages, police were taking photography, their cameramen, so many hundreds of cameras were pressed into service. So whether if he is present there, at least his image should be there. So it is sheer political vendetta. The ruling dispensation wanted a scapegoat in that area because, see, all along Congress, JDS, Congress candidates are getting elected, and all the corporators are either JDS or Congress. No one is from ruling dispensation. So, for political reasons, I really feel that Sampath Kumar is made as a scapegoat in the entire charge sheet. As a lawyer, I am telling you with all consciousness, there are absolutely no shred of material against Mr. Sampath Kumar.
The corporator Zakir or Sampath Kumar, what the people started talking, these two people joined together that they wanted to spoil Srinivas' image to next election when they come, they can fight from there.
See, regarding Zakir, you should ask his lawyer. I am not representing him. I don't want to comment on him. As far as Sampath is concerned, see, Sampath contested at C.V. Raman Nagar.
Hmm.
So, Akanda Srinivasamurthy contested in this Pulikeshin Nagar constituency. How Sampath Kumar? Both are from same party. So, it is High Command which decides.
Hmm.
So, that argument is speculative. There is no such material in the charge sheet. I am confining my talk within the purview of charge sheet. There is no such material.
So, what do you think, according to you, as a lawyer, you are also involved in that Sampath Kumar case, why this violence happened and who did?
See, that's why I said it was a protest. Peace. It was a assembly seeking justice for 1 hour. Then that assembly became a protest. These are all fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution under Article 19. See, after 2 hours of the defamatory imputation posted in the Facebook, it converted from peaceful protest to a rioting. The rioting is mob fury. That's called mad mob fury. See, some mad who will do what? See, in the mob, somebody react overzealously. This is the issue. Who is responsible for that? There must be evidence. See, just because some people were there, how can they arrest? Why they are trying to see? There are temples. No temple was touched. It has come out in the news that these minority community people formed a human chain to protect a temple. Not even one from the other communities were attacked. See, violence, when you shoot and kill people, then people react in different manner. And 4 lives were lost.
No, the firing happened after the violence started.
See, that has to be inquired into.
Hmm.
How you say that it started then, thereafter?
Because when they were not in control, as the police
No, that argument I don't accept for the simple reason. See, it started by 5:46. There were people. How police allowed the crowd to be more till 11:30? It has all the infrastructure. Control room is there. By a call, reserved police force, rapid action force. Crowd mobilized by 11:30 in the night. 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. This DJ Ali, KJ Ali is not somewhere in forest. It is in the heart of Bangalore. What is the distance between commissioner office and that place? It's a hardly stone throw place. They could have mobilized. Why? See, police don't protect the house of MLA. How intelligence failure is it? They say 8:30 MLA house was ransacked. How is it possible? When crowd started going to the police station as per the investigating agency by 6:30, 7 o'clock, how they could not protect our MLA? What was the material of stones? This has to be inquired.
So, do you think the original fact will come out?
Yes, original fact should be inquired into. There were many fact finding teams. The fact finding teams report or reflection of respective ideology and philosophy. But all said and done, had Mr. Naveen had not posted this blasphemous imputation in his Facebook account, nothing would have happened. And how do Naveen know about the imputation made by him? Where did he get it? See, it's all about Aisha and Prophet Muhammad. See, as per Quran, marriage is a civil contract between two persons who attain puberty. That is, this is an incident about 1400 years back. See, in India, marriage age is 18, America it is 16, Indonesia it is 19. Aisha is respected as a great scholar. People respect him. 1.5 billion people accept her. It is a faith. What is his problem? Why that maligning? Where do you get it? He got it. Who provoked him to get it posted? All these things should be probed. The logo of that the blasphemous posting speaks volumes. That has to be investigated. For the last 6 months, with whom he interacted, Naveen, all that should be interrogated.
But on which basis he got a bail so easily? Because
I told you, though, see, the
lot of people is still
okay,
inside,
yes, that's what I
and
said.
they are
See,
having the UPA.
okay, I'll give you this thing. See, he generated and he posted. His offense is 3 years punishment. He posted, I have seen. Facebook, anybody see? So I have seen, I am in jail. He has sent, he is out. What is this system? Then the system need to be questioned. Whether there is a system breakdown, whether law enforcement agency breakdown. How is it possible? Person who is responsible for all these things are out. Person who suffered are in. This is where the
So
injustice.
those who are inside, do you think they will get bail easily or it will take time?
Again, what happens? It's all depends on the police. See, certain people, 72 FIRs, they have chosen 2 FIRs under UAPA. Their law is very stringent. No anticipatory bail. Regular bail, it is next to impossible. The law is like that. Why they have implicated? Why it is referred to NIA? What is the necessity? It is the mob fury. Writing happens. That's not the purpose of UAPA and NIA. It is to combat our nation against terrorist, local or alien. It is not, see, your person takes, they say, stone. Pelting stone, is it a terrorist act? Whether you mean to say the terrorist choose a stone? Whether the stone from anywhere? Stone is a stone. Taking a stone and pelting is a terrorist act. Now that is what the investigating agencies say, that now it is going on. Because according to me, a community is targeted.
Okay, so it will take a lot of time to people come out.
That is also, see, accepting the allegation made in the UAP cases and the investigation done so far, there is no prima facie material to detain them in jail. But anyway, it has to be processed through a court of law. See, it is still pending. Let us hope.
This Srinivas MLA, he said that this is all was done by the Naveen and his gang.
See, there is the incident was on 11/8/2020. 12/13 sitting MLA did not lodge any report. 14th, after 4 days, he lodges a first information report. He said due to previous ill will, with whom previous ill will is not forthcoming. and he has not named anyone in the FIR, right?
Hmm.
Then accused number 25 and 33, they file a bail petition. Under SC/ST Act, it is mandatory that the coffee should be served to the complainant also. Akanda Srinivasamurthy engaged a counsel who filed an objection statement. In para number 6 of the objection statement is very particular that Naveen, he has connections with underworld elements, rowdy sheeters, rogue, bad people, and it is he who organized everything. It is he who brought petrol, poured, and lit it with fire. This is the language used by the counsel of Aganda Srinivasamurthy in the objection statement. So, after 15 days of the incident, according to the sitting MLA, the whole burning, setting fire, bringing petrol, everything is by Naveen. That is what he has filed it, it is there.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So why the media is not talking about that part? Because that is very, very hide. People don't want to disclose that mystery.
Okay, media should tell, they should not sell. So, they should tell. What can I do for that?
So, or maybe the information is not flowing proper way outside to the media also.
See, investigative journalism, you investigate, you go through, report impartially. Media should not be partial. Media should not be one-sided. There must be fair reporting.
But why is the MLA Srinivas took 4 days time?
See, 4 days time that you should question him. How do I know? Why it took? He is an MLA. He can take the police help. He has followers. He has everything at his command. Why 4 days delay? Then you should ask him.
Because see, he's got the winning like 80,000 vote from that area.
This question
The
he should
people
answer.
people are following, and then he taken a 4 days time to come and give that a statement.
See, that is the reason best known to him. You should ask him.
So tell me last, your client Sampath Kumar, when he will get the clear chit in this case?
At the earliest.
Any last thing you want to tell on the violence?
See, on the violence, I condemn the violence. Violence in any form is condemnable. Perpetrator of the crime should be punished. Innocent should not be punished. Taking shelter in the name of violence, arresting, targeting certain people, that is unacceptable.
Thank you so much, Balan sir. Thank you so much for watching Indian Media.